For only 1,000 pesos each, nakapag-rent kami ng wooden cabin on top of the mountain. Ang ganda ng view at parang halos maabot mo na yung araw. You can enjoy a cup of coffee on top of a sea of clouds. Yung bakuran mo, taniman ng libu-libong gulay. At pwede mo pang panoorin yung farmers na nag-harvest. Tapos bago magtanghaling tapat, bigla kayong mapapalibutan ng clouds. Tapos at around 2 p.m, ganito kalamig yung hangin na pumapasok sa pintuan. Kaya magdi-dinner kayo ng sinigang para makahigop ng mainit na sabaw. Diretso bonfire while roasting marshmallows. At tamang drumming lang hanggang sa makatulog. Paggising sa umaga, magluluto at mag-aalmusal while enjoying that majestic view. Ang ganda, and we stayed here for 3 days and 2 nights. This is Burton's Cabin located sa Atok, Benguet. This is worth 4,500 for 4 packs tapos additional 500 for an extra person. Merong living room with TV and fireplace. There's a bathroom, dining area, kompleto yung gamit sa kusina at maraming mattresses. Definitely one of the best vacations I've had.